What's up, y'all? We late night with it tonight, y'all. We late night. Project Save the M. That's the project tonight. Project to save the M. So right now I got the brake bleeder plugged up. We got to have 15 pounds of pressure. You feel me? Got it plugged up to that. Now I gotta go up under the car, loosen up the bleed screw. What's under here? You see the bleed screw right there? Gotta loosen up the bleed screw. Fluid's gonna fly out everywhere. Unfortunately, because I don't have a Project Save the M, man. Bleed the clutch. Let's get it. Oh, y'all gotta plug the battery up. You feel me? They trying to get the M. We can't have that, dog. We can't have that. Let's see if it starts up. So I gotta jump the battery. All right, so I had to swap that battery out. The battery is only 10 volts, so let's see. Hopefully now we should get a crank at least. Oh, I didn't even plug the battery up. Thought I had the battery plugged up. Now let's see. That's crazy. Wouldn't even start. So it wasn't starting. So I think what's happening was the ground right there. It's a ground strap that goes from the motor to the body. So let's hope that's it, and let's hope it starts after this. So let's get it, man. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. There we go. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. There we go. Start it up. So now the car started. Disconnect these. Yeah, man, they try to get your boy for the M, man. You know what I'm saying? So I had to move the M inside. And, yeah, so now the car's inside. And we shouldn't have to worry about getting towed. We got a ticket, but we should not have to worry about getting towed. Oh, man, it sucks. But, yeah, man, M is safe and sound, man. Got her in the driveway, you feel me? So, yeah, man. In the driveway. Moved now. Slave cylinder done. Everything's bled. Car runs, it moves. I drove it down the street, came back. It was pretty good, but yeah, man. So this is the beginning of bringing the M3 back, y'all. I'm excited. So yeah, man, I'm kind of pissed off about that because it's like, go find something to do, man. Go get a job. You got a job, but go look for some criminals, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all out here tripping, looking for car stuff, tripping on people, writing people tickets around holiday time. It ain't right. But anyway, man, I do got to get it registered. I do got to take care of my business, and until then, man, I'll see you next episode, y'all. Peace.